Before we can talk about adding and subtracting matrices, we have to understand what a matrix is. It says here a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers into horizontal rows and vertical columns. So basically we're going to take information and put it into a rectangle. So if you look at this example here, this is a matrix. Okay, we have rows and columns, and we would say that this is a 3 by 4 matrix because it's the number of rows by the number of columns. Sorry about that. Okay. So a matrix just represents numbers in a rectangular arrangement, and it's important to understand what the size of a matrix is. You always say it's the number of rows, 1, 2, 3, by the number of columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can take information and we can write it in a matrix. And we'll talk later why we'd want to do that, but if we had this example here of a high school, this would just be maybe what they'd be getting for lunch or how many choices they had for lunch. We could put this information into a matrix. So the way we would do it is you have like a big bracket, and we have 5 entrees, 3 desserts, and 5 drinks, and that represents the high school. It is important to label these because otherwise how do we know what the numbers mean? And at the middle school we have 3 entrees, 2 desserts, and 4 drinks. And what we should do is above here put entrees, desserts, and drinks. That way quickly I can see at the middle school how many desserts are there. Well, you just look where this row and this column meet, and we know there are 2. At the high school, how many drinks are there? Here's high school, here's drinks, and we can see that there are 5. So it's just another way of organizing information.